Now I'd like to show you the control panel. The control panel tab is again located at the top in between reports and curriculum. Again, I've had to choose a window with a student who has not yet done any of this because I wanted to keep my students' data safe. In the control panel, the weekly targets can be adjusted to differentiate instruction. Data collected and color-coded weekly to set goals and be used as intervention data. The assessment test can be scheduled at the end of the year to be whenever you'd like their final data to come in. So if you go down here, you see that what the grade is and then the average weekly target for the last 8 weeks. So obviously we've only done this for 4 weeks, so here's 4 weeks of data. This student unfortunately did do 0, 0, 0, and so far 0 for this week. I can edit this weekly target. Maybe I think that is too much and he needs a smaller goal to be able to get it, or some of my students have done that so much that I can up them to a higher number. I'm going to click something. Okay. So then you can go to assessment test and see where I said that you can edit when the end of the year one would be. So probably because I haven't done the placement yet, I cannot actually edit the end of year, but I could for my other students. I could choose the date that I wanted them to take this. Under the assessment test, if you click on the student's individual name, you can see a breakdown of their pre-assessment, which was their placement exam, as well as the accuracy and the duration it took them to take it. Then it assigns them instruction based on their individual needs. I love that you can see the objectives to know how it aligns with the objectives in order that you may be teaching. I also love that it provides parents with this concrete data on their child's accuracy on a specific targeted objective. When you click on assignments, you can control what the child will need to be working on. So right here, here's the activity stream. Then I would go over to the assignments, and this is where I will be able to select what I would like that child to be working on. You can click on the topics. It'll state what's in each topic. I feel like in the kindergarten standpoint, these modules really lined up with our Common Core standards.